is quite unsparing, but political heat more important for you.
Yeah, this heat is nothing. I love the political heat because not only during the elections, throughout the 5 years I love that. What I say is people who are in between the public, people who are always with the public, they should be skilled. Not the 15 days drama what politicians do before that. I just don't like that. What the politicians have to do, what they did in the last 5 years should be the skill.
Mr. Konda Vishweshwar Reddy says, who is the BJP candidate from here, says that it is the Modi wave that is going to bring him to victory. What are you banking on?
He is banking on Modi's name. I am banking on the hardship what I did. I am banking on the people who have come to me. I am banking on the people who are happy with my service in the last 5 years. I am happy with the development works what were happened in my constituency during the last 5 years. So in Telugu we called it as development and reachable MP.
It is strange, isn't it, that you were both in two different parties. You was the Congress candidate, you were the BRS candidate in the last election, and now you both switched parties and fighting on, you are saying, on your own brand equity largely.
That is the beauty of politics. So I didn't understand what politics word mean when I came into the politics. But that all these things are happening and they are bound to happen. That will continue to happen also. Because when he has moved from Congress to BJP, I don't know what reason he gave. I have my own reasons when I came from BRS to Congress.
Tell us the reasons, because you were on record saying that Mr. KCR still has a special place in your heart.
KCR still also has a special place because he is the man who has introduced me to the politics. I don't deny that today also. Let him comment on whatever he wants on me. I am happy because he is elder to me, he has introduced. Second thing is, I have returned back and I have done the best for the party in the last 5 years. That was measured by Mr. KCR and the working president, Mr. KTR. So I have returned back to the party. I am convinced that I have done. Now, I don't know for what reasons it has scaled down. It is still scaling down. Whatever political party which scales down may pick up also. I don't want to comment on that also. But today the Congress wave is there. The cadre is with upbeat after winning the assembly elections. Now they would want to prove a point saying that what Congress has done in the last 100 days. Mr. Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister himself has said, what I did in the last 100 days should be the scale. So with that, what upbeat in the Congress cadre has scaled up also.
You have already started your campaign, still quite a few weeks to go, in fact.
It's really amazing. I think old ladies to young, I thought only the youngsters know about Modi. Old lady can hardly hear. I showed her this photo and asked who she is. I think even BM Ichtaina. I think the person who gives rice, free rice. So, nook and corner, not just youngsters, old ladies also know. After a long time, we have a national leader who reached every nook and corner and every demographic segment he reached.
That's actually my question, because in this parliament constituency, you have so many more, you have BRS MLAs, all the assembly segments, either the BRS or the Congress has it. BJP doesn't have it. And yet, what are you going to do to be able to turn this towards the BJP?
Not much, just be what I am, and Modi is what he is. And that's exactly what happened when I first stood from TRS for Telangana, for the right cause, for the people. People will vote for me. That time, there were 0 TRS MLAs. Yet I won and I made 2 TRS MLAs win. Unfortunately, both are separated. If both are together, I, along with me, 4 BJP MLAs would have won. And so I am very confident. When there's 0, I score. And because I'm always with the people and the cause of the people. That time the cause was Telangana, and this time also the cause was Telangana development. And we've seen 10 years of KCR and 100 days of the new government. The state is bankrupt. The old government made the state bankrupt with 7 lakh crores and Kaleshwarams and Kumbakonams. The new government has a begging bowl in its hand, and yet they are offering freebies. People stop believing it. One of the freebies they offered is to all these ladies, they'll increase the pension to 4,000 rupees and give additional 250 rupees. Not even that, they are not even able to get the old pension, forget about the new pension.
So
Every
100
single-
days of the Revant Reddy government, he in fact says that I have fulfilled 5 of those 6 promises, guarantees that the Congress promised. What is your rating of their 100 days of government? Because he actually said it's a referendum on my government. Even though this is a parliament election, he said even for this election it will be a referendum on my 100 days of governance.
The only single and only thing was something they didn't ask for. Free bus rides. Free bus ride. That doesn't give development.